Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to prepare a salary payroll for a particular month of any company or institution. So at the beginning we'll write the name of the company. Let it be XYZ Enterprise, and in the down we'll write salary for the month of that particular month. Okay, so here it is, uh, salary sheet for the month of July 2018. Okay, how to bring down that, you know how to bring down after XYZ Enterprise. You just press Control and Enter together. Okay, then it will move to the next line and the sentence will be automatically written in the next line. Okay, then we will little bit do adjustment, make it bold, arrange the space. Okay, and the first column we are gonna write the serial number. Next we write the names. Okay, names. Third column we'll write how much that particular person gets as salary, which is his basic pay. This is called basic. After that there will be some increments which will be counted with the basic base. We will count it based on the basic base. So first one, let it be HRA, house rent allowance. It can be 5% also, it can be 10% also, depending on the institution how much they want to pay. And that 10% you have to do, 5% you have to do from basic. You have to calculate from basic. Okay, that 5% should be from basic. And TA is traveling allowance. This company provides traveling allowance, so it will be 5. Here it is 5.5%, and we'll also calculate this 5.5% from the basic amount. And third one, let it be DA, which is daily allowance, and let it be 4%. So as here I want to tell you one thing, that HRA, TA and DA all will come under increment. Okay, this will not get deduct your salary, this will increase your basic salary, this will get addition with the basic. So addition of all this with the basic will be counted as gross salary. Okay, now after gross salary, now there are some deductions too, and here the deductions are GPF, which is gross provident fund, and second is your income tax, third one is your, okay, only two deductions are here, so we'll make the total deductions in one column. Total deduction, it will be of GPF and income tax. And when you do gross minus net salary, total deductions, will get the net salary. Okay, which you will get in the end of the month. After addition and deductions, the total amount which you will get is the net salary after doing increment and decrements. So first let the name be Jacob, and let he gets an amount of 27,000. Okay, now we'll calculate SRA. How we'll do? First we have to put into formula. So for putting any formula into Excel, we have to put equal to. So what is 5%? 5% means 5 into 5 divided by 100 into here again, wait, yeah, you have to do 5.5 divided by 100 into CT, that is 2700. Just click on 2700. Okay, it is column 3. And for DA, for column 4, it is 4 divided by 100 into then is star and click on that basic 2700, so it will automatically calculate. Now all these four you have to do auto sum. There is one it's not visible here, auto sum. Just click on auto sum and it will automatically get added, the total will be added. Okay, then this part will come GPR, gross profit information, income tax. These are all your deductions which will be deducted from your gross salary. Okay, so GPF depends upon how much a person want to put. It varies from person to person, and for income tax let it be 6%, so we'll do 6 divided by 100 into that basic. Okay, now do again auto sum of this GPF and income tax, so we'll get total deductions. So for finding net salary, what we'll do, we have to uh, first select on is equal to, we have to put for formula, then we have to put equal to first. Okay, net salary is nothing but gross minus total deductions, that is GPF and income tax. From gross it will be net salary. So we have to, for putting formula, what will we do, we have to put equal to, then we have to select gross salary, that is G3 minus that total deductions. Just select on that, it will automatically calculate. Okay, now let's put more employees, because a company have so many employees. This is just an example. We'll put just 5: Jacob, Rohan, David, James and Christopher. Okay, let's put different salaries, so it will be, which is somewhat real, in real scenario, which is applicable, because all don't get the same salary. So one interesting thing is that once you put all in formula, you don't need to calculate again and again. So this GPA difference is different from person to person. Okay, once you have all calculated, you just drag it down, it will automatically calculate the rest. Okay, excluding GPF, which is your personal choice. It is nothing but how much you want to store in your as savings. Okay, so just you drag and drop from upside to down, it will calculate all. So we are now in the last part of the video. We'll just customize a little bit to make it feel better in our eyes. Okay, now you can do according to your choice of color. That's it. Okay, I will come with more video, so let me stop.